In moments of silence, when hope feels distant and outcomes uncertain, the journey begins in the quiet of doubt. Like a symphony, the journey of cell and gene therapy begins with precision, harmony, and expertise. Translating new wave technologies that power in-hospital, automated, point-of-care cell manufacturing and analytics sets the benchmark for bedside care. Like the finest instrument, precision and care guide every analysis, ensuring that each cell is perfect. Together, we create the balance, integrating solutions that empower hospitals to innovate and personalize patient therapies. From hospital to hospital, lab to lab, our solutions scale to meet the needs of patients worldwide, creating global harmony in care. At the peak of innovation, together we compose the future of healthcare by setting the benchmark. And with every note, every breakthrough, we bring hope to the silence.